Hello plunkers, Skank Ass here, and today I thought I'd take you along on a shopping spree. Now, when we go to grocery shopping, which I absolutely detest, usually what happens is, my kids actually joke about it, I've got what we call parking karma. Now, parking karma is go to the shopping centre or the shops that you want to go to, and generally I find parking right at the fucking front. I don't know what it is, but before I get to the parking spot, I always say to myself, I'm going to get a good parking near the front, and parking karma helps me along. Skanky bitch that she is, and we always get parking at the front, and it's happened today again. Yay, pick and pay, parking right at the front. Awesome! So here we are at the pick and pay, ready to go in. Oh, here's another parking of, you see, parking karma gets it again. So here I am at the clothes section of pick and pay, and it seems to me that they're actually doing away with most of their clothes, which is really quite sad because I buy a lot of my clothes here at Pick and Pay. Anyway, I'll have to have a word with the manager while I'm here. I'm back! Shopping was an absolute nightmare. Definitely because it's the end of the month, everybody's got their salary paid into their account and they are shopping up a storm. It wasn't that exciting anyway, so you probably wouldn't have wanted to come along just as well. I suppose you don't want to be bored out your fucking skull. So I'm off home now to unpack all the shopping. Exciting stuff for a Saturday afternoon. Riveting, riveting. Skank Ass here, and this is Emma. You'll remember Emma from a puppy quite a while ago. Well, she's not a puppy anymore. Emma's probably about 8, 9 months old now, so she's not going to get much bigger than this. Say hello, Emma. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello plunkers, and today we got drink bottles. And this bottle is pop.
In other words, what she's trying to say is today we've got party time, party poppers. Oh, but they go everywhere. Anyway, so what we're trying to say is that all the party preparations for my 40th birthday party are underway with great gusto. And one of the things that I got on the internet is these little lollipop men. I don't know if you can see. It's a wee superhero lollipop.
Superman!
Yeah, with their wee masks and capes. So these will be one of the things that's on the tables. Shh, don't tell anybody. Shh, it's a surprise. And yeah, so oh, that one's still smoking. The smoking gun. Pull another one. Let's pull another one, shall we? Let's pull it down. Let's push it this way towards the camera so that the plonkers get it. You ready, plonkers? 1, 2, 3, go! Boom! Cheers! Yes, of course I've got a glass of wine with me.
I'll do it!
Pull it. Pull the string. Pull it! Oh man. Like this. Hold it there. Pull it. Whoa! But you guys don't get to see the streamers. They are so cool, and we've only got one left. Okay, let's not cock it up this time. Hold it towards the camera. Right, pull it. Oh! Okay, well, let's grab some of the stuff and show them what it looks like. It looks like this. All these streamers and whatever. So that's what it looks like. Yay! Let's put it in our hair.
And
yeah, so lots of preparations. Busy painting a backdrop this weekend for the photo booth, and yeah, so there's lots of. Oh, that one's also still smoking. Is it you that's smoking?
No.
You sure?
1, 2, 3.
Anyway, so that's about it for now.
Where's the other one, Mummy?
It's finished. What I did want to tell you about is that about a month ago, the new Jack White solo album was released, and it is awesome! Blunderbuss, so go check it out, go download it and listen to Jack White's new music. It is really, really good. I'm listening to it at gym, on my iPod. So yeah, no, definitely go and check it out because it is definitely worth the money purchasing it. So I'm back from the shops, and it was boring grocery shopping. I did get a pair of leggings out of it, but whoop-de-fucking-do. Oh yes, and my new HTC X1 is still as awesome as ever. In fact, I'm tweeting away as we speak, and yeah, it's just really awesome to have absolutely everything at your fingertips. Your Twitter, your YouTube. I'm not a Facebooker at all, so Twitter and Facebook for me are the two main things that I use this phone for, and obviously it takes fantastic photographs. Which I'm really pleased about, because if you don't have your camera handy, which I generally do have in my handbag, but sometimes I forget to put a memory card in it, or I forget to charge the batteries, then I've always got my trusty phone. The only thing about this phone is, because of its big screen, it depletes your battery really quickly. So if you keep your apps open and you keep the internet connection open all the time, the battery runs down like within a day. But if you put your apps off and your connections off, then your battery will probably last like 2 or 3 days. So that's the HTC. Very cool. Come say goodbye to the plunkers.
Bye-bye, plunkers. Yes, the blottles.
The blottles. You'd think she's been on the wine. But she hasn't. Only me. Shit happens, eh? That's it for now. Check you later.